Hello everyone, hope you all are hale and hearty. As we enter the holiday season with Christmas and the New Year approaching, I am super excited to take you all to some wonderful places through my vlogs. Today, we'll start with one of the world's natural wonders, the legendary Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is a group of 3 waterfalls. This is the American Fall and the Bridal Veil Fall. The largest of the 3 is the Horseshoe Fall. You can take a 20-minute voyage to the falls through a boat tour operated by both the countries, US and Canada. The Hornblower is for Canada and the Maid of Mist is for US. It will take you to a journey of a lifetime. You can enjoy breathtaking views of the Niagara Gorge, American Falls and the Bridal Veil Falls and come face to face with the mesmerizing Canadian Horseshoe Falls. You can get the tickets for this ride at Niagara Parks office and their website for $35 Canadian. In this ride, you can feel the thunderous roar and incredible power of one of the world's most stunning natural wonder. You can take the boat tour at night to enjoy the amazing lighting on the Niagara and even the fireworks. You will rarely find a sight as breathtaking and majestic as the Niagara Falls. About 600,000 gallons of water travel down the Niagara Falls every second. Just imagine the humongous volume. The verdant green color is due to the 60 tons per minute of dissolved salts and rock flour generated by the erosive force of the Niagara River. The current erosion is approximately 30 centimeters per year. Fun fact is, in 50,000 years, Niagara will erode the remaining 32 kilometers to Lake Erie and the fall will vanish. The falls have become a popular vacation spot for families throughout North America. You can stay in any of these good hotels right on the Niagara Parkway. There are a couple of casinos also in these areas where you can have a good time. Now let's take a stroll on the Niagara Parkway. This parkway and the area surrounding the Niagara Falls is being maintained by the Niagara Parks Commission. When we visited the Niagara Falls, it was drizzling a bit. We took shelter under this dome-shaped tree. Right on the Niagara Parkway is the former Toronto Power Generating Station along the Niagara River. In the early 1900s, this power station used to supply the Toronto market with the first Canadian-owned hydroelectricity. On the Upper Niagara Rapids, one of the most stunning attractions is the Hanging Iron Barge. This boat has been stuck there since 1918, which is more than a century now. Here we caught a glimpse of a nice duck family moving around. This is the International Control Dam built in 1954 to preserve Niagara Falls' natural beauty and to ensure an unbroken curtain of water between US and Canada. You can enjoy the largest and the rarest collection of orchids, lilies, succulents and other exotic plant species year-round in the Floral Show House. We started to head back towards the Horseshoe Falls. Right here is the Welcome Center, which takes you on a journey behind the falls. Journey Behind the Falls is a year-round attraction that offers a unique view of the falls from behind and below. The visitors descend 125 feet by elevator, where a short tunnel gives access to 2 outdoor observation decks and 2 portals located directly behind the falls. You can get the tickets from the Niagara Parks office or the website for 23 Canadian dollars. At Journey Behind the Falls, you will experience the awesome spectacle of 1/5 of world's fresh water crashing down to the basin below. Clifton Hill is Niagara Falls' top destination for attractions, restaurants, entertainment and more. Located just 1 block to the Horseshoe Falls along the Niagara River, the Street of Fun is a must-visit for families, couples and sightseers in North America. Clifton Hill's exciting array of attractions include the latest and the most exciting addition of the Niagara Speedway and the Niagara Skywheel. Wide variety of facilities make this amusement area a great choice throughout the year in the Niagara Falls. The fun on the Clifton Hill doesn't end when the sun goes down. In fact, for many, the excitement is just getting started. It looks bright and beautiful with all the lights glowing surrounding this area. We'll bring you here someday later. You can avail the local transport Vigo when you are exploring Niagara. The Niagara Skywheel is Canada's largest giant wheel, providing you with a view like no other of Niagara Falls. While you are here on the Clifton Hill, you can enjoy some candies and chocolates and some ice creams as you roam around the street. Now it's time for us to return back to home. It is about 1.5 hours journey back to Toronto. I really hope you enjoyed this trip with me. Please do not forget to share it with your friends and family and give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel to get notified of my next vlog on the famous Niagara wineries. Till then, stay safe and take care.